Hello, bachcho. So let's read the question. The question says exponential growth is shown by first is unicellular forms, second is a cell in tissue culture, third is embryo, and fourth is multicellular plants. So the key concept for this question is growth curve. ग्रोथ कर्व में मेनली थ्री फेजेस होते हैं. सबसे पहला फेज होता है लैग फेज, दूसरा फेज होता है लॉग फेज एंड तीसरा फेज होता है स्टेशनरी फेज. So lag phase is basically the initial phase of the growth. And इसमें जो सेल होता है, the cell is adapting to the environment. Second is log phase. Log phase basically logarithmic phase होता है. Logarithmic phase is the exponential phase. मतलब यहाँ पे growth जो होती है वो exponential होती है, सबसे ज्यादा तेज होती है. Exponential growth होता है इसमें because of the abundance of nutrients present. Nutrients जो है abundance में होते हैं इस टाइम पे. Third is stationary phase. Stationary phase is the stationary phase वो वाला phase होता है when the nutrients are all consumed and the growth slows down. So coming back to the question में ये पूछा है कि exponential growth is shown by. Exponential growth is not ideally shown by all unicellular forms, but it is shown by a cell which is kept in tissue culture. Third, embryo में हमेशा एक embryo में exponential growth नहीं show करा जाता and multicellular plants में भी ऐसा नहीं होता. So exponential growth is mainly shown by a cell in tissue culture because यहाँ पे हमेशा abundance of nutrients होता ही है. There is always an abundance of nutrients. But real life conditions में in the unicellular forms embryo or multicellular plants they follow the standard growth curve जहाँ पे तीन अलग अलग phases होते हैं. So the final answer for this question is option B. Hope you understood well. Best of luck.